Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. One of the biggest blessings of Hajj is doing tawaf of Kaabatullah, kissing the Hajar Aswad, doing sa'i, performing salah at Maqam Ibrahim, and mashallah drinking Zamzam, praying to only God Allah, worshipping only God Allah as per the commands given by Allah and final messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, doing Umrah. One of the biggest blessings of Hajj. Rich and poor, king and pauper, all in the same house, in the same line. No segregation, nothing. Beauty of Hajj, the speciality of Hajj. And this is, mashallah, the grace and mercy of Allah for the Muslim Ummah to show that how we can please Allah and how we can get success in both the worlds. May Allah accept the prayers and du'as of all Hujjah.